Once again, very good morning, dear students. Students, today we will read our chapter number 3 of course book, The Most Important Day. Dear students, before reading the chapter, look at the warm-up box. This is the story of a little girl, Helen Keller. Students, she was not able to see and hear. That means she was not physically fit. Okay. Helen Keller lost her sight and hearing ability when she was only 19 months old. Helen Keller lost her sight means eyesight and hearing ability सुनने की शक्ति उसने lost कर दी थी when she was only 19 months old. Students, when Helen Keller was only 19 months old, she lost her eyesight and hearing ability. She was not able to see or hear. With the help of her teacher, Annie Sullivan, she learned to read and speak. Who was his teacher? Annie Sullivan. She learned to read and speak. Her teacher helped her to read and speak. This is what Miss Sullivan used to tell Helen. Keep on beginning and failing. Each time you fail, start all over again and you will grow stronger until you succeed. Miss Sullivan told her that keep on beginning and failing means we should not give up. हमें कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. We should never give up. If we fail in the first attempt, we should try again and again until we get success. हमें कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए जब तक कि हमें सक्सेस नहीं मिल जाती. We should try again and again. Yes, dear students, let's start the story of Helen Keller. It was the summer of 1880. This is the story of which year? 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. A healthy baby girl means physically fit, normal baby girl was born. पैदा हुई कहाँ पर? In a small town in Alabama. Alabama के एक छोटे से शहर में. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen. Her parents loved her very much and they named her, the little girl, Helen. But one day, the baby became ill, and day after day, her fever stayed high. But one day, that little baby Helen became ill, and day after day, मतलब कुछ टाइम के बाद धीरे धीरे करते हुए हर फीवर स्टेड हाई, उसका फीवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर जो है वो हाई होता चला गया. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better. In her family, everyone tried their best so that she could get better. But all they could say was, there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. At last they said they did efforts more than they could do. उन्होंने उसे बचाने के लिए उतने एफर्ट्स किए जितने मतलब जितने वो कर सकते थे उससे भी ज्यादा. बट द बेब उन्होंने क्या बोला? द बेबी मे नॉट लिव. शायद अब ये बेबी नहीं बचेगी. हेलन लिव्ड बट शी वॉज नॉट द सेम आफ्टर हर इलनेस. बट Helen lived, but she was not the same after her illness. There was a change in her health after her illness. Now she was not physically fit. Something is very wrong, her mother said. Helen's mother said something is wrong with her. At last, they found out what was wrong. Finally, they found out that what was the problem? What was the change after illness? The child could not see or hear. What was the change? That now Helen could not see or hear. After her illness, she was not able to see or hear. ना तो वो देख सकती थी, ना ही वो सुन सकती थी. The baby grew into a little girl. Now the baby grew into a little girl. He became older. Her parents felt sorry for her. Felt sorry means they felt bad for their girl. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. Why she was cried often? Because now she was not able to see. She became irritated. That's why she often cried and always she remained with her mother. Maybe you should give the poor child what she wants, her father would say. हेलन के फादर ने क्या बोला उसकी मदर को? Maybe you should give the poor child. Poor means you can say here like जिनसे हमें सिंपथी होती है, बेचारी. कि वो उसकी मदर को क्या बोल रहे हैं? मे बी तुम उसे वो दे पाओ जो उस पुअर चाइल्ड को चाहिए, हेलन को जो चाहिए. दो हेलन कुड नॉट हियर और सी, शी वॉज अ ब्राइट लिटिल गर्ल. दो मीन्स जबकि. हेलन कुड नॉट सी और हियर, बट शी वॉज अ ब्राइट लिटिल चाइल्ड. शी वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything. Some people thought that Helen was not able to learn anything. Why don't you just send her away somewhere? They said. People said to her parents that why don't you send away from you? Means why don't you send her to a hostel or anywhere else? Her mother did not agree. Why? It is very difficult for a mother to send her child away from her. That's why she was not agree. She didn't want to send her baby to a hostel. Thanks, but Helen is very smart, she said and added. Her mother said to the people who were suggesting, thanks, but Helen, my little girl, is very smart. The problem is how can we reach her? The only problem is how can we reach her means how can we understand her? She is locked up inside herself. Locked up means उसमें अपने आप में ही वो खोई रहती है. किसी से वो ज्यादा बात नहीं करती. So the main problem is to understand her problem. Helen began to grow wild. Now Helen, behavior wise, now she became rude. She would not let anyone comb her hair. She would not allow anyone to comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. Her clothes always remains dirty. गंदे रहते थे. She was often angry because she was not able to see. She felt inferiority. That's why she was often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor. Floor means first. Sometimes she lay on the floor and kicked her feet. And she kicked her feet on the floor. जमीन पर जैसे पैर मारना. Her parents thought that they should find a teacher for her. Now, her parents were worried. They thought that they should appoint a teacher for Helen. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Now, Miss Sullivan, who was a teacher, Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, she was now agreed. वो ready हो गई, तैयार हो गई. She was agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. वो एग्री हो गई कि वो हेलन को सिखाएगी कि इस संसार को कैसे देखना है. मिस सुलिवन gave Helen a doll. Miss Sullivan, who was her teacher, she gave Helen a doll. D-O-L-L spells doll. Miss Sullivan spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. हेलन के हैंड पे अपनी फिंगर से कुछ साइंस उन्होंने बनाए और क्या स्पेल किया? स्पेलिंग ऑफ डोल, D-O-L-L. She spelled and also she made some signs with her fingers on Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. She made, उसने अपनी फिंगर से हेलन के हैंड पे वो लेटर्स बनाए, D-O-L-L. Helen copied her teacher and spelled D-O-L-L too. Helen also followed her teacher in the same way, and she also spelled D-O-L-L. But she did not understand what she was doing. She spelled the word D-O-L-L, doll, but she was not able to understand the meaning of that word. What was she doing? She was not able to understand. She only copied her teacher. She did not know that she was spelling a word. She was not able to understand that she was spelling a word. This is a spelling of a word, D-O-L-L. Or even that word existed. उसे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि ये वर्ड एग्जिस्ट भी करता है, इसका कोई मीनिंग भी है. She was just copying her teacher. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. Helen loved her, liked her. She was strict. But Miss Sullivan was strict, but also kind. In the days that followed, Helen learned to spell. In the days that followed, धीरे 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 कुछ दिनों में Helen learned to spell. Words. And a few verbs. Before she understood that everything she took several weeks. She understood that everything teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. One day her teacher told him to put her hand in the running water, means flowing water. Then she spelled W-A-T-E-R. One day when her teacher told her to put her hand in the flowing water, then suddenly Helen understood that W-A-T-E-R meant something. फ्लो कर रहा है. Was able to understand that something wet was flowing over her hand. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Now she understood. अब उसे समझ आ गया था that the words were the most important things. Without words, you can never express your feelings. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. अब वर्ड्स शब्दों ने उसे सब कुछ बता दिया था जो वो जानना चाहती थी. Helen learned 30 words that day. On that particular day, Helen learned 30 words in a single day. Mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. These words among these 30 words: mother, father, sister, and teacher. Words that were to make the word blossom for her. Now the word is beautiful for her. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day. That day, that special day, was very important for her because at that day she learned 30 words. She was very happy. She thought about the joys it had brought her for the first time. For the first time, she was very happy, longed for a new day to come. Now she was waiting for the next day. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. In 6 months, by the end of August, now she learned 625 words. Even though she was not able to see, not able to hear. By the time she was 16, अब वो कितने ईयर्स की हो गई थी? 16. Helen could speak well enough to go to college. अब वो कॉलेज जा सकती थी और अच्छे से बोल सकती थी वर्ड्स को. Helen Keller, the little girl, became one of history's most famous women. She became one of the most popular women in the history. Why? Even though she was not able to speak, she learned number of words. She traveled around the world. उसने पूरे वर्ल्ड में ट्रेवल किया. Speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. 5 major continents की 25 countries में उसने visit किया. लोगों से बात की. Wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. Wherever she went, she motivated the people. People inspired from her that if she can do, everybody can do. Okay, means what we learned from the story, that we should never give up. हमें कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. We should try again and again. Okay. Yes, dear students, that's all about this chapter. Students, you have to find out